Welcome to my channel. We are required to find the value of x plus y, given that x minus y is equal to 11 and root x plus root y is equal to 11. We can use two methods in solving this question. The very first method is guessing the numbers that when they are subtracted we will get 11, and also those numbers must be perfect squares. For example, x is a perfect square since we have the square root of x, and y also is a perfect square, and since we have the square root of y here. So more like this value x minus y is more like saying difference of two squares. So what difference of two squares will give us 11. Now, if you look at the numbers properly, x minus y, we will know that 36 minus 25 will give us 11. And root of 36 plus root of 25 will also give us 11, because root of 36 is 6 and root of 25 is 5. So we'll have 11. That is one of the methods. So this first method is a matter of making an informed guess and check. And the second method is a lengthy one. Now let us imagine that you are not able to recognize that root of 36 that 36 minus 25 will give us 11. That is, you are not able to recognize that root of 36 plus root of 25 will give you 11. So you now use the second method, and that is solving these two equations simultaneously. So equation 1, we have x minus y is equal to 11, and equation 2 gives us root x plus root y will give us 11. Let us start from equation 2. Using equation 2, we can square both sides of equation 2 and then expand the bracket or simplify. Let's square both sides of equation 2. To square both sides, we have root x plus root y squared is equal to 11 squared. 11 squared is 121. Root x times root x will give us x. Root x times root y will give us root xy. Root y times root x will give us root yx, which is also root xy. So I have two root xy here, and root y times root y will give us y. So I have this. Now I can now also simplify. So x plus y plus 2x root 2xy will give us 121. Now let us also remember that from equation 1 we have that x minus y is equal to 11. So x is equal to 11 plus y, or y plus 11. We will substitute, let's make this one equation 3. We will substitute 11 plus y for x in this equation that we got. Let us call this equation 3, and let's call this equation 4, please. So we will substitute 11 plus y for x in equation 3. It becomes 11 plus y, which is this, plus y plus 2 brackets. We have 11 plus y times y will give us 121. And let's add the y's together and then collect like terms. So we have 2y plus, we have 2 brackets. This is 11y plus y squared is equal to 121 minus 11. 121 minus 11 will give us 110. So 2y plus 2 brackets 11y plus y squared will give us 110. So what are we going to do next? The next thing we are going to do is to eliminate this square root. For us to eliminate the square root, we need to subtract both sides of the equation by 2y. So doing that, we have 2 brackets 11y plus y squared is equal to 110 minus 2y. So let us square both sides. If we square both sides, we'll have, here is 2 brackets 11y plus y squared. We'll square it. And here is 110 minus 2y. We'll also square it. Let me come up. Good. So we'll square both sides. These square roots will multiply this to give us 4. And this square root will cancel this. This square will cancel the square roots. So we'll have 11y plus y squared. Now, 110 squared will give us 12100. 12100. Now, 110 squared is 12100. This times this will give us 220y. Also, this times this will give us 220y, and this times this will give us 4y squared. So let us go up and then we'll finish up. Let us remember that what we have here is 4 brackets 11y plus y squared in the brackets, and here is 12100 minus, if we add 220, if we add 220 and 220 gets 440. So I have minus 440y plus 4y squared. So let's open this bracket. If we, 4y squared, please. So let's open this bracket. It becomes 44y plus 4y squared is equal to 12100 minus 440y plus 4y squared. Now these and these are equal and opposite. They are equal because they have the same coefficients and they are the same unknown, and we are squaring the unknown. And also they are opposite because they are at opposite sides of an equation, so they will cancel out. After that, we'll now simplify. So let us collect like terms. So your 44 plus your 440y will now be equal to 12100. If we add these two together, we will get 484. Yes, 484y is equal to 12100. And let's divide both sides by 484. Divide both sides by 484. This will cancel this. Here 1, here is 25. So y is 25. Now let us remember that we have equation 4 as x is equal to 11 plus y. So putting the value of 25 for y in equation 4, we get x is equal to 11 plus y. X will now be 11 plus 25, and x is equal to 36. So if I subtract 25 from 36, I'll get 11. If I find the square root of 36, which is 6, add it to the square root of 25, which is 5, we'll get 11. So x plus y is 36 plus 25. 36 plus 25 will give us 61.